Learning grammar can indeed be a challenge, but with the right approach, you can minimize confusion and make progress. Here are some suggestions to help you learn grammar effectively. 1. Start with the basics. Begin by learning the foundational elements of grammar, such as parts of speech, nouns, verbs, adjectives, etc., sentence structure, and basic punctuation rules. 1. Having a solid understanding of these fundamentals will provide a strong framework for further learning. 2. Take it step by step. Break down complex grammar concepts into smaller, manageable chunks. 2. Rather than trying to learn everything at once, focus on one specific grammar rule or concept at a time. 2. Mastering each concept individually will prevent confusion and help you build a solid foundation. 3. Use reliable resources. Choose reputable grammar books, websites, or language learning apps that provide clear explanations and examples. 3. Look for resources that cater to your learning style and provide ample practice exercises to reinforce your understanding. 4. Practice actively. Grammar is best learned through active practice. 4. Apply the rules you've learned by doing exercises, writing sentences, or engaging in conversation. 4. Actively using the grammar rules will help you internalize them and reinforce your learning. 5. Seek clarification. If you come across a grammar concept that confuses you, don't hesitate to seek clarification. 5. Ask your teacher, join language learning forums or communities, or consult online resources that provide clear explanations. 5. It's essential to address any confusion promptly to prevent misunderstandings from lingering. 6. Read extensively. Reading books, articles, and other materials in English exposes you to correct grammar usage and context. 6. Pay attention to how sentences are structured, how different parts of speech are used, and how grammar rules are applied. 6. This exposure to real-world usage will enhance your understanding and help you internalize grammar naturally. 7. Practice in context. Grammar is not meant to be learned in isolation. 7. Focus on using grammar in context, as it is used in everyday communication. 7. Engage in conversations, write emails or essays, and practice using the grammar rules you've learned in real-life situations. 7. Applying grammar in context will solidify your understanding and make it more practical. 8. Review and revise. Regularly review previously learned grammar rules to reinforce your knowledge. 8. Set aside time to revisit concepts, practice exercises, and identify areas where you need further improvement. 8. Grammar is an ongoing learning process, so continuous revision is vital. 9. Get feedback. Seek feedback from a teacher, tutor, or language partner who can review your written or spoken English. 9. They can point out any errors or provide guidance on how to improve your grammar. 9. Constructive feedback is invaluable for fine-tuning your skills. 10. Be patient and persistent. Learning grammar takes time and practice. 10. It's normal to make mistakes along the way. 10. Embrace the learning process, be patient with yourself, and remain persistent. 10. With consistent effort and dedication, your understanding of grammar will improve over time. Remember, learning grammar is just one aspect of becoming proficient in English. Practice all language skills, listening, speaking, reading, and writing, to develop a well-rounded command of the language.